Picture this. You walk into your home after a long, stressful day, and instead of feeling relaxed, you're hit with more chaos. The clutter, the noise, the endless to-do list is overwhelming. But what if your home could be a sanctuary, a place where you can truly unwind and let go of the day's stresses? In this video, we're going to explore how to create a Zen space at home, perfect for those who deal with anxiety and need a little extra calm in their lives. Let's transform your living space into your personal oasis. 1. The power of a peaceful environment. Our homes are more than just a place to sleep. They're our personal retreats from the world. But when your space is cluttered or chaotic, it can actually contribute to feelings of anxiety and stress. That's why creating a Zen space is so important, especially for those of us who struggle with anxious thoughts. A peaceful, organized environment can help you feel more centered, focused, and at ease. And the best part, you don't need a lot of money or time to make it happen. Just a few simple changes can turn any space into a calming retreat. 2. Declutter your space. Less is more. Let's start with one of the most impactful steps: decluttering. Clutter isn't just physical, it's mental. When our surroundings are filled with too much stuff, it can feel like our minds are just as cluttered. This can increase feelings of anxiety and make it harder to relax. Begin by going through each room and identifying items that no longer serve a purpose. Ask yourself, does this item bring me joy or stress? If it's the latter, it might be time to let it go. Remember, the goal isn't to create a minimalist home unless that's what you want, but rather to remove the excess that's weighing you down. 3. Embrace natural elements. Bring the outdoors, and one of the key principles of creating a Zen space is connecting with nature. Nature has a calming effect on our minds, so incorporating natural elements into your home can help create a more peaceful environment. Start by bringing in some houseplants. Not only do they purify the air, but they also add a touch of life and tranquility to any room. If you don't have a green thumb, don't worry. There are plenty of low-maintenance plants like snake plants or succulents that are easy to care for. In addition to plants, consider using natural materials like wood, stone, or bamboo in your decor. These materials have a grounding effect and can help create a sense of balance and harmony in your space. Think about adding a wooden coffee table, stone coasters, or bamboo blinds to bring the outdoors in. 4. Create a cozy corner, your personal retreat. Everyone needs a space where they can retreat and recharge, a place that feels like your own little sanctuary. This doesn't have to be a whole room. It can be a small corner of your living room, bedroom, or even a nook by a window. Start by choosing a comfortable chair or cushion, something you can sink into and feel supported. Add soft blankets, throw pillows, and perhaps a small side table for your favorite book or a cup of tea. This cozy corner should be a place where you can unwind, meditate, read, or just sit quietly. The key is to make it personal and inviting, a space that you look forward to spending time in every day. 5. Mindful color choices. The power of calm hues. Colors have a significant impact on our mood and energy levels. When creating a Zen space, it's important to choose colors that promote relaxation and calm. Neutrals like soft whites, beiges, and grays create a serene backdrop that's easy on the eyes. If you prefer a bit of color, go for muted tones like sage green, lavender, or powder blue. These colors are known for their soothing qualities. Avoid overly bright or intense colors in your Zen space, as they can be too stimulating and may contribute to feelings of anxiety. If you're not ready to repaint your walls, consider incorporating these calming colors through accessories like pillows, rugs, or artwork. 6. Sound matters. Create a tranquil atmosphere. We often think of our surroundings in terms of what we see, but sound plays a crucial role in creating a peaceful environment. Consider what sounds make you feel calm. For some, it's the sound of ocean waves or rainfall. For others, it's soft instrumental music or the gentle hum of a fan. Whatever your preference, try to incorporate these sounds into your home. You can use a white noise machine, play ambient soundtracks, or even download apps that simulate natural environments. If you live in a noisy area, soundproofing your space can also make a big difference. Thick curtains, rugs, and soft furnishings can help absorb sound and create a quieter, more serene atmosphere. Your home should be a place where you can escape the noise of the outside world and find your inner peace. Seek support. If you're struggling to manage your anxiety, it might be helpful to talk to a therapist or counselor. They can help you work through your feelings and identify any underlying issues that might be contributing to your anxiety. Practice self-reflection. Take some time to reflect on why you're feeling anxious. Are these concerns new, or have they been present in past relationships? Understanding the root of your anxiety can help you address it more effectively. Focus on building trust. Trust is key to overcoming relationship anxiety. If trust has been broken, it takes time and effort to rebuild. Both you and your partner need to be committed to this process. Building trust involves being reliable, honest, and consistent in your actions. Set healthy boundaries. Establishing and respecting boundaries is crucial for any healthy relationship. If your anxiety stems from a lack of boundaries, work with your partner to define what is acceptable and what isn't. This will help both of you feel more secure in the relationship. 5. When to consider moving on. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, relationship anxiety doesn't go away. If you've tried everything and still feel anxious, it might be time to consider whether this relationship is right for you. Ending a relationship is never easy, but staying in a relationship that makes you feel consistently anxious is not healthy. Listen to your intuition. If something doesn't feel right, trust your gut. Your intuition can be a powerful guide when it comes to relationships. If you're constantly uneasy, it might be worth reevaluating the relationship. Evaluate the relationship. Take a step back and look at the relationship as a whole. Are you happy more often than not? Do you feel supported and respected? If the answer is no, it might be time to move on. Consider your well-being. Your mental and emotional health should always come first. If the relationship is taking a toll on your well-being, it's okay to prioritize yourself and consider ending the relationship. 6. Building healthier relationships moving forward. Whether you decide to stay in your current relationship or move on, it's important to focus on building healthier relationships in the future. Here's how you can do that. Work on self-love. Healthy relationships start with self-love. When you feel good about yourself, you're less likely to let anxiety take over. Practice self-care, set boundaries, and surround yourself with positive influences. Look for positive patterns. Pay attention to what works in your relationships. What makes you feel secure? What behaviors build trust? Focusing on these positive patterns can help you build stronger, healthier relationships moving forward. Choose a partner who aligns with your values. Compatibility goes beyond shared interests. It's about shared values. Look for a partner who respects your boundaries, supports your goals, and shares your vision for the future. 7. Final thoughts. Navigating relationship anxiety. Navigating anxiety in relationships is challenging, but it's a journey worth taking. Whether you're dealing with normal concerns or more serious red flags, the most important thing is to stay true to yourself and prioritize your well-being. Relationships should bring joy, support, and growth, not constant worry and fear. Remember, it's okay to seek help, to communicate openly, and to make changes if needed. Your relationship should be a source of strength, not stress. By understanding the difference between red flags and normal concerns, you can build a relationship that's healthy, supportive, and fulfilling.